And she said, are you calling your bank? I said, I certainly am, because this just a thing says, what? Yeah, and I changed it's so much stuff.
Oh, what was it?
What's the phone? Navy Federal's phone number. They went in her office and went in her purse and got her card.
And run some water in it.
They had already got so much money. And then when she called her bank, they stopped it, but they still took like thousands and thousands and thousands.
You said what? That's good. That's something nice. No. I just, until I see all the flour is gone. Yeah. Go ahead and don't. Put a little more. Huh? I haven't tried anything else. Put a couple more. I haven't tried anything else outside of chocolate chips. I've done it. That's it. I've done it without chocolate chips, but I mean, I could put some if y'all want. But I actually might make leave it out. I'm gonna just make the other ones too. Ain't got no space Huh? Cookies. Huh? These ones? We'll see. I don't know how they're gonna spread. I didn't leave them in the refrigerator that long. I don't know. I don't got, the stuff I normally use. I don't got the stuff I normally use. I don't know how they're gonna turn out. Are they pickled? That's good for your blood pressure. Good for your blood pressure.
Yeah. The old lady, the preacher said, yeah, I know. Everybody here for $1,000, they can pick out any 3 hymns that they want, right?